Good morning, Balers. Mack Richards here. I'm a senior cross-country and distance track runner. It's 8:30 Wednesday morning. Time to get some breakfast and get to class. For breakfast, I like peanut butter and wheat bread. I'll grab an orange or an apple, banana, just something to get a good source of protein and nutrients to start my day off right, keep me full, and give me the energy I need. I always drink a bottle of water as well to get rehydrated after a night of sleeping. It's 9 o'clock, so it's time to get on my AP Physics Zoom. Alright, physics is over. Now I've got an hour before my next class. I like to get started on my homework, finish up some assignments, because as a student athlete with extra workouts and practices, you really got to make your schoolwork a priority if you want to be successful. It's 10:45 now, so it's time to get on my AP Environmental Science class. Alright, APES is over, so now I'm gonna grab some lunch. Alright, for lunch I'll usually fry up 2 or 3 eggs with another piece of toast, get some fresh fruit in there. Always make sure to drink a lot of water, because it'll help your recovery, prevent cramps, and it's just good for you overall. I really make sure I'm eating healthy throughout the day because I really want that boosted performance and the good energy. It's about 12:30, so I'm gonna finish up my homework and then I've got some free time before practice. When I've got downtime, I like to get outside, feel the sun, maybe ride my bike or my unicycle around, or I'll go inside and solve my Rubik's Cube or read a good book. And I really just try to stay away from the screens and everything because I always feel better when I'm productive. Looks like it's 3 o'clock, time to get changed and head to practice.
Haven't been around anyone that sick?
No.
Okay, feeling good.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Yep, you're good to go. 96.9.
Awesome.
Thanks, coach.
Alright, it's 5 o'clock, just finished a good practice, but now it's time to go get my own run in, get my mileage up. Just got back from my second run, ended up at about 4 miles, so that's a solid 8-mile day. Now it's time to head home, get some dinner. It's about 6:30, all showered and cleaned up. It's time to go find some dinner with the greens, the carbs, the protein, all that good stuff that's gonna keep me fueled through the night and for my workouts tomorrow. It's about 9:30 right now. Before I go, I just want to say, find an exercise that you love, that'll get you out there, feeling healthy, eating better, drinking more water. Stay safe out there, and remember, go Balers!